Are your carefully crafted cold emails disappearing into the spam folder, never to be seen again? Have you ever spent hours and hours trying to come up with the perfect, sexy cold email, but once you hit send, crickets, no replies, nobody cares? If you're tired of your emails ending up in the junk pile, you came to the right place, because today I'm going to share with you 5 expert tips about how to avoid your cold emails going to spam in order to ensure they land in your prospects inbox, right where they actually belong. Without any further ado, let's go. Understanding email deliverability. Before we get into the specifics, we need to understand what email deliverability is and why it is really important for your email outreach. Email deliverability refers to the ability of your emails to reach your recipients' inboxes successfully. It contains different factors such as sender reputation, content quality, and adherence to the best practices. Poor email deliverability can result in your emails being flagged as a spam, which impacts negatively your cold outreach, as you can imagine. In order to improve your email deliverability, one thing that you can do is to warm up your email account, especially before you start sending out large volumes of cold emails. So now you ask me, okay, but how do I warm up my email account? Don't worry, I'm gonna tell you. So warming up your email account is the process of gradually increasing the volume and frequency of emails sent from a new or underutilized email address. This practice helps establish a positive reputation with internet service providers and email service providers by demonstrating that your emails are legitimate and are not associated with spam or abuse. In order to warm up your email account and establish a positive reputation with these email service providers, you first need to make sure that you anticipate your domain by using sender policy framework, domain case identified mail, and domain-based message authentication, reporting, and conformance. These are protocols that work together to verify that your emails are legitimately sent from your domain and are not forged, thereby improving your email deliverability and reducing the chances of your emails being flagged as a spam, which we do not want. Another way in which you can warm up your email account is to actually start with a modest volume and then gradually increase the volume of emails that you send out. When you first start your cold email outreach, it's a wiser idea to begin with a small number of emails to actually evaluate response rates and avoid overwhelming your email system. Another reason why it's important to keep your sending volume low and steady is because sending too many emails too quickly can actually trigger spam filters. In order to not to be flagged as a spam, you have to maintain a natural, human-like sending pace, and a good rule of thumb is to send between 50 and 200 emails per day per address and to spread these emails throughout the day. So do not go ahead and send 200 emails out all at once. It's not gonna end well for you. No matter how tempting it might seem, it is very important to resist the urge of using deceptive practices like buying email lists or using misleading subject lines, because these deceptive practices can quickly damage your sender reputation and land your emails in the spam folder. In order to gain trust, not only with the internet service providers, but also with your target audience, you have to focus on building a genuine, meaningful connection with them through personalized content that your recipients actually find valuable and interesting and important to them. Avoid attachments and embedded images. Attachments and embedded images can also trigger spam filters and raise suspicions, so instead of doing that, try to include links to relevant content or resources that are to be found on your website. That is the best idea. However, even if your emails make it to your recipient's inbox instead of the spam folder, it does not guarantee that they're actually going to open your email. So make sure to watch this video next in order to know how to write compelling email subject lines that get opened in 2024.